There you go, guys. Just want to show you something I've done just for some gardening. Just recycled some 20 litre drums into some hanging pots. A little bit different from what I normally do, but just tinkering around. So yeah, I just had a 20 litre drum cut in half, used a jigsaw with a wood blade, and then just drilled 13mm holes with some drainage in the bottom. I painted them up a while ago with some white paint, just some cheap paint. It's not the best job, but just help protect plastic. And I've just drilled 4 holes, 8mm holes in the corners, and attached some jack chain. And these are all equal lengths, about 350mm, and then about another. I'll just get you here. Jeez, I'm no good at this. And then I just attached another 150mm bit of jack chain, so you can open that eye up there, and then while I got you up, you can use that to link around a limb of a tree or whatever you want to hang it to. So you got a little hook system going on there too, and yeah, it's pretty crude, but it does the job. And yeah, all I used is 13mm drill bit, I think 8mm drill, a couple of long loose pliers, and tape measure and jack chain. Now probably if you got to make a few, yeah, it probably works out a little bit cheaper than buying them. Yeah, customise them, make any colour you want, sort of thing. But yeah, something a bit different. I think you guys might like it. Anyway, alright, cheers.